intervention.
Hey.
Many years ago, Otubotu, the lion, said, listen. Iya bui fenyelezi no noge. Awotara mi for na gajiro 1 naira. Ni abu nnugu mmadụ n'ụwa ya n'onugi mba niile ya amage. I am not understanding. Even na abịa agbawe egwu. Ọ bụ na fly na-egwu ogwu. Ọ ga-eri ichigo nwa na egwu mgbagoro ebe for many years. Without wasting much of your time, I'm here to encourage every young man, young girl, every youth in Eba. For the fact that I made it in life, you will make it in life. Trust in God, believe in yourself, and work hard. Success will be the outcome. Because a round of applause for the lion. My favorite part na the lion. Wo ilu suit mbo oje yipu akwa ima na abia abia na aru. Let's go. Can I hear a bigger amen? Umu Chineke! Umu Chineke! Ana akukwada keba. Ibe Chukwu kwuru n'oge emele n'ụwa ike nkwaba mba n'odogwuo Chukwu intervention nọ na-aza ekpere. Abụ m a living testimony. Very road south ka m bidolu nwanne m hosu ka m na-elezinu wee na-abịa agba egwu na intervention n'odogwu. Daddy gba m gwa m, my son, you are a great man. Aotara mi fonekwu. Mana tata. Chukwu emegi ifo ji bulu Chukwu. Adresi ibubo ngone nuwa. Ibe Chukwu bulu n'ọnya na-eme n'eluwa. Ima n'otiwa na ogwe. Otiwa na ogwe da. Otiwe na ogwe. Ojuela moweda. Igirigirige. Alupana funge mo. Ike nkwaba mbodogu. God is real one day. Umokolo biagente. Onyezu nori reluwa. Eme na kidnapping. Chukwu chi na-aza ekpere. Asị m Chukwu na-aza ekpere. Chukwu nọ na-aza ekpere. Chukwu zara m na ọ ga-aza gị o. Akwụkwọ obodo oyibo ka ị na-achọ. Chukwu zalụ mụ ya za gị o. Chukwu zalụ mụ ya za gị o. Ike gwaba mbodogwu. Alụbọ na fonte mmụọ. Hey! The lion of intervention. Ebube dike bula mụnwaanyị. Papa ya n'Igbo Odogwu. Randa mablọtọ yi. Onye gwuru n'onye na-eme no. Kụọlụ dadi maka. Kụọlụ dadi maka o. Ahụ m ibulu n'isi m meleme. Ahụ m ibulu n'isi m meleme. Ụwa niile nwazi nkwa. Echelu m America mefe. Abata London na na-ese foto. Ifi kwulu melu nelu. Chukwu gọzielu m gị o. Chukwu gọzielu m gị o. Chigama Odogwu. Ibe na-egwelu ga-egwu na-ekwesike. Alụkwa na bụ ndị mmụọ. Wani Peyana Buno Kwano. Oke Mwawudike. Oluono Gweda. Oluono Gwedike. Oluono Gweda. Oluono Gwedike. Oluono Gweda. Oluono Gwedike. Oluono Gweda. Ijidike. Ikukwa Manonya. Adosi Buboko. Ibechukwu kwulu Yemenu. Umokolo Biagente. Nwanne eti n'aka n'ife ọjọọ. Àwọn mbọ ya ọma Chukwu gị nwanne m. Chukwu zara mụ ga-aza gị. Chukwu zara mụ ga-aza gị o. 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 Chukwu mere ya ga-aza gị o. Chukwu zara mụ ga-aza gị o. Ọ na-abịa abịa. Ọ na-abịa abịa. Ọ na-abịa abịa. Ọ na-abịa abịa. Chukwu gọzielu gị o.
Hello guys, my name is Prince Chicks. I'm a singer of Okurum Onum. I am one of the Lion family. I saw a video this morning on social media about Zubi Michael saying things about Odumeje. Saying that Odumeje is not his pastor. Forgetting back in the days when he come to Odumeje for help and other things. Now, because the prayer of Lion families has worked for you, you now deny him because he has many challenges. Because he's facing challenges. Because he's facing his enemies and the people that want him dead. And that's why you come to social media to make such a video. Nobody asked you for that. You are an actor. I'm a singer. I'm a celebrity like you. For you to come out in social media to make such a video, that means you are too dangerous. Odumeje helped you because most of people who don't know you through him. So you don't have the right to come to social media and start calling him just a friend. My dear, either Afozo or neither Anife. He's your friend, he's your pastor, he's your mentor. People respect you today because of him. So you don't have the right to make that video because we didn't ask for it. Whatever Odumeje is saying today might be directly from God. You don't have to make such a thing. Now I'm giving you 24 hours to go and apologize to him because of that video. Because now you've made a very big mistake. A very big mistake. We respect you, we love you, we care for you, and we followed you up because of him. Odumeje is a radical prophet. He doesn't do to please you. He do things the way it please God, and the way it will make him happy. One day, Zubi Michael, go and apologize to Lion family.
One Nkonye chiri Nazari Otago. Listen, I hate interviews. The Lion Odu Ebeko Duneje, are you sick? You guys can be enjoying the drama, but I hate it when you say, Nadia Azubi go collect power, Nadia blows you, Naim blows you. Thunder that will fire you will come from Adamawa. Are you stupid? I'm not denying he's my friend way back, no, to Onitsha. You don't see me go there, they pray. Now my guy, not be my pastor. I don't be stupid. I know they go church. I don't belong to any church. I'm a more of a spiritual person, not a religious blah, blah, blah. So I hate it when you tag me in your unnecessary drama, especially Tunde Ednord. Are you stupid? Why do you enjoy promoting unnecessary drama? Don't you see Paul's Nigeria and Instablog, the things they promote? What are you? You're a fool. So I'm saying this thing because of my fans. Listen, if you say that Odumeje Lion Bizubi pastor I ain't give Zubi power, that means you are a fool and you are insulting God. He is my guy, my housewarming. This guy can spray 1.something million ginger. He invite me in birthday, I go there, spray 500K because said on this brand, get power. Are you sick? Stop that nonsense. He's my friend, not my pastor. I hate interviews. I'm saying this because of the love and respect I have for my fans, and they're saying Zubi, like a pastor be that, now there they go church. Now sure I go, okay, if you pay me, I will come your own show. He's my friend, not my pastor. Stop old